Hey, people of God, join me as I make the soup. It is called by Ubenu people in Awka North, Anambra State. They call it Ofenteko, Ofa Ahugi. This soup is only meant for August visitors. This is the soup my mother-in-law prepared for me to welcome me into her home when they married me newly. Join me as I make the soup. One thing good about the soup is the fresh leaves you use. You need to get very good fresh water leaf and scent leaf. Very, very important. And you wash it properly to avoid sand. Now, this is our meat. We pour our meat into the pot. We added our seasoning. We added our salt. We added our pepper. All those things that need to season meat. We added it together. We added water. This, I used a head of cow. So I wanted it to be soft. So I added water and I put it into the pot. In this place, I allowed it to cook very, very well. So I've allowed it to cook. I came to check it to see the water is already dried already. So, and it's not as soft as I want. So I added more water to it to be very soft. So I had to cook it very, very well to make sure it is soft. I don't want to be eating, or my husband and we're eating the soup and we cannot swallow the meat, and we cannot chew the meat and we start swallowing it. So at this point, we added our stockfish and we covered it up to cook very well. As you can see, it is well cooked here, very, very well. So we added our crayfish. We're very generous with our crayfish. I love crayfish. We added our crayfish. We stir to make sure it is mixed to cover up our pot, and I will allow it to cook. At this place, it's well cooked now. Yes, as you can see, it is very well cooked. We added our panla fish to the pot. Yeah. Then we stir it up properly. We stirred it very well. After stirring, we added our water leaf. It's time to add our water leaf here. We added our water leaf. Look at it now. Look at how fresh the water leaf is looking. We covered it up and allow it to cook. Yes, we added our seasoning to it. For taste, you taste the food and adjust the taste. Yeah, I adjusted by adding more seasoning to it. I allowed the water leaf to cook. As you can see, I covered it up and allowed it to cook before adding my scent leaf. Do you get? Now I'm adding my scent leaf to it. After adding scent leaf, I have to still cover it to cook. I'll cover it to cook for like 7 minutes. Scent leaf used to be hard. Like it's hard, always hard. So we allow it to cook very well. I covered it and allowed it to cook for 7 minutes, and I added my palm oil. Be very generous with the palm oil. Please be very generous with it. If you want to get the best out of the soup, this is me stirring it very well, mixing the water leaf and the scent leaf to make it very, very mixed. When you're looking at this soup, you'll be thinking, wow, this soup looks like a afan soup. For my people, it is called Ofenteko, Ofa Ahugi. If you taste this soup, oh my God. If you taste this soup, you'll come back and thank me later. Bye.